You are watching Videos for You video by Tom Melton. A weekly series about video marketing to help you understand it and do it. And have success doing so. Enjoy today's show. How to create a product review video for affiliate marketing tutorial. A lot of digital marketers are making money while sleeping soundly or doing their day jobs. This is the magic of affiliate marketing, described as the new technique to generate revenue and drive sales to brands or businesses. As an affiliate marketer, you don't need to sell your own product or services. All it takes is to collaborate with business and brand owners and create product review tutorials. You earn commissions from each sale of their products. And with the skyrocketing performance of video marketing, harnessing its power can help you achieve your goals. We made an ultimate guide on how to create a product review video for an affiliate marketing tutorial. What is a product review video? A product review video is an excellent way to correctly and effectively showcase the features and benefits of consumer products, apps, or services. A compelling, authentic, and exciting video review can convert skeptical consumers into buyers. Uploading and sharing professionally done video tutorials about products generate a lot of attention in the social media platforms like Facebook and popular channel YouTube. While there is a time limit on Facebook, you can easily share a link to the product review video, allowing people to access your YouTube channel and watch your presentation. What are the characteristics of a good product review video? Your main goal is to sell the brand's product or services by providing an excellent review that will generate strong interest from the buying public to try it themselves. It should highlight the following: importance of the product/service, answers concerns and questions, uses descriptive text overlays and video over text, displays good audio, lighting, backdrop, and overall quality. Why should you make product review videos? Statistics show that about 1/3 of online activities involve video watching. The average users usually spend 88% of their time watching product listing and reviews with video. 90% of consumers say that product videos help them in the decision process. 41% of brand owners and companies get higher website traffic. 81% of brands leverage the advantages of affiliate marketing. 16% of the total online orders are attributed to the power of affiliate marketing. If you have the resources and skills to create product review videos, you can earn money by partnering with e-commerce companies and startup firms looking for affiliate partners. As an affiliate, also known as the publisher, you can leverage the power of YouTube to influence consumers by putting up your product review channel and selling your services to merchants and brand owners. Most of these companies welcome affiliates to help them promote and sell their products. As an affiliate, you get a certain percentage of their profits. How to create professional product review videos. Your objective is to provide your partner with impactful videos that outline the advantages of their product, sharing every pertinent detail that will encourage the target audience to make an action after watching the video. If you don't know where to start, let the experts do it for you. This means getting assistance from a professional digital agency like Videos for You. We can give you tutorials about video making or collaborate with you in creating impressive product review videos. As a product reviewer, you need to tell the truth and voice your impression and opinion about the item you are featuring. Here are some tips on how to create a product review video for an affiliate marketing tutorial. Make your script. Avoid making a valedictory address that will bore your audience. A script is supposed to serve as your outline and guide to present your views. Never read from the script because it will make you into an automaton instead of an animated, engaging, and credible product reviewer. The key is to make a list of your talking points in your shooting script, then be conversational in presenting your consumer views about the product. You can do ad-libs to make it sound more authentic and natural. Focus on the product and show the salient features. The advantage of a video review is you can show what you are discussing. You can easily demonstrate how it works by presenting the step-by-step tutorial. Your primary goal is to sell the product, so focus on its features and benefits. Avoid the common faux pas where the reviewers talk about themselves. It is crucial to concentrate on the features that make the product unique and beneficial to consumers. When expressing your personal opinions, you need to be honest and balanced. Avoid sugarcoating or magnifying the advantages. Viewers want genuine, honest reviews, which means you need to find products that you use or patronize. If it is a new product, try it first. Usually, the seller would send a sample for your perusal. The audience dislikes reviewers who fawned, bash, or gushed overly. As much as possible, be yourself and impress your viewers with your professionalism. Humanize your product review videos by adding personal impressions and insights that bring depth to the product's usefulness. Pick the salient features that address the needs of consumers and elucidate on them. Wrap it up. A good product review ends with a verdict. This helps the audience see if the product is worth the investment and can resolve their needs or problems. The best way to do it is to summarize the pros and cons and wrap it up with your opinion and why you feel that way. Edit and keep your product review videos short. The attention span of viewers is short, so the challenge is how to present a powerful product review video that will keep them glued to the end. The rule of thumb is keeping it to the point and not more than 3 minutes. This is where your editing skills come in handy. If you are having problems in this matter, Videos for You can do it for you. We have expert editors that do quick, clean edits. Key takeaway. Now that you know how to create a product review video for an affiliate marketing tutorial, your next step is to market yourself to sellers and brand owners looking for affiliate marketers to attract more leads and buyers.
Visit our website and give us a call today.